right, hello everybody. We're going to be working through some area and perimeter word problems. I am on Khan Academy. If you guys want to go and practice with this as well, what we are at the Khan Academy Eureka Math 4th grade, Module 3. And then we are down in that first topic where it says area and perimeter of rectangles word problems. So let's go ahead and practice and talk through a couple of these. So this one says, Lisa built a rectangular flower garden that is 4 meters wide and has a perimeter of 26 meters. So I'm going to go ahead and start by drawing myself a little model of this so that way I can start to envision what I have. All right, so I have a badly drawn rectangle, just like in our live lessons. All right, so I have this rectangular flower garden. I know that it's 4 meters wide, 4 and 4, and it has a perimeter of 26 meters. All right, so when I hear perimeter, I'm going to write my perimeter formula, which is perimeter is equal to length plus width plus width. Now I can fill in some parts of this. I know that my perimeter is 26. I don't know what my length is, so I'm just going to leave that as length plus length. But I do know what my width is. And I was thinking about width, so I wrote it accidentally. I do know what my width is, though, because it says that it's 4 meters wide. So I can go ahead and do my 4 and my 4. All right, well, let's combine some like terms. I know that 26 would now be equal to 2 lengths. So I'm going to put 2L, length and length. I have 2 groups of that length, plus 8, because 4 plus 4 gives me that 8. Well, I want to find out just what the length is. So if I took away 8 from here, 26 take away 8 would give me 18. So now I have 18 is equal to 2 lengths. So I have to think about what can I have 2 groups of, and it would make 18. And 2 times 9 equals 18, so her length must be 9. And we got it right. All right, so let's go to our next one. We're going to do 3 together. Oh, I went to the wrong thing. Hold on. Here we go. All right, so now it has a square, has a perimeter of 36 milliliters. Okay, now the important thing to think about here is that means that it's a square. So if it's a square, I know that all of its sides are the same because that's what a square is. It has 4 congruent sides and 4 congruent right angles. So it says that my perimeter is 36. Now perimeter is length plus width, but since all of my sides are the same, that means that my perimeter is equal to 4 of my sides. So I'm going to just use my width variable. So this is equal to 4 widths because it's this one plus this one plus this one plus this one, or 4 groups of my widths. All right, so now I have 36 is the same as 4 of my widths. So what times 4 would give me 36? And the answer would be 9. So let's see. I know that it is, I'm looking back at my question and it says that what is the area of the square? Okay, so I have now figured out with you guys that 9 is equal to the width. But this is why it's so important to reread the question, because it's not asking me what the width is, it's asking me what the area is. Okay, so this one's 9, this one's 9, this one's 9, this one's 9, because 9 plus 9 is 18, plus 9 is 27, plus 9 is 36. But now it wants me to find the area, okay? So I know that area is equal to my length times my width. So my length and my width are both 9 because all of my sides are 9. So 9 times 9 would give me 81. So I can say that my area is 81 square millimeters. And we got that one right as well. All right, so now let's move to our next question, our last question that we're going to do together. Try and move our video back. There we go. All right, so our rectangular sandbox has a width of 5 units. The sandbox is 5 times as long as it is wide. Okay, so let's go ahead and again draw our rectangular sandbox. I am absolutely terrible at drawing straight lines on our computer. All right, so we know it has a width of 5 units. Okay, it is 5 times as long as it is wide. Okay, so the length is the same as 5 times my width. My width is 5. So 5 times that width would give me 25 units. All right, so now it's asking me what is the perimeter of the sandbox. Okay, so let's once again write our perimeter equation, or formula, excuse me. Perimeter is equal to length plus width plus width. I can fill in my variables. So I have my length is 25. This is 25. This length is 25. I need all 4 sides because a rectangle has 4 sides and perimeter is the distance around those 4 sides. And then my width is each 5. Right? As I'm solving this, I know 25 plus 25 is 50. 5 plus 5 is 10 to give me a total perimeter of 60. So it would be 60 units. And we got that one right as well. All right, friends, so that was a quick review and going over of some area and perimeter word problems. I hope that this video will help you as you are completing the practice activity. Remember, the practice activities are a great way to show me how well you understand this concept, to show yourself how well you understand that concept, and to make sure that we're moving forward in the right direction. Thanks, friends, and I'll see you later.